Hi everyone, this is Kathy from Friendly Natural Beauty, and today I'm making a restock soap over here. We're restocking our lavender soap, and it's a very popular soap in our shop, so we need to restock it today. What I'm having here, I have my usual recipe that I actually posted in one of our videos, right, Kelsey? We can get you the link where we have the recipe posted. And so we're going to use our master recipe that has olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, palm oil, and coconut oil. That's right. Okay, so what I'm putting in here, we are just using essential oils. It's a very simple soap. It's just lavender 4042 and essential oil. And we're also going to use some coconut milk, and I'm going to put that in the oils. And in my oils already have some sodium lactate, and I'm going to use a little bit of the soap is going to have 3 colors. The main batter is going to be colored with white, so I have titanium dioxide here. And then I'm going to have this purple from Brambleberry. What kind of purple is this, Kelsey? What is it called?
Lavender.
It's called lavender. And we have another purple from Brambleberry. That is, it's very dark. And what was this one called?
Plum Dusk Mica.
Yeah, so we're going to have 2 tones, and I'm going to do a hanger swirl in there. And actually, I'm going to also put in there some of the oatmeal. Grounded oatmeal. It's not really colloidal, it's more like finely grounded oatmeal. Okay, it's organic. Okay, so before we do everything else, we're gonna do we're gonna melt our oils with our lye solution. Now, what is it called, Kelsey?
The heat transfer method.
That's right. So today's a small batch is because we are running out of stuff. So we have to do a small batch today. Only 5 pounds right now, but we're waiting for more supplies, and we are in production mode right now. This is actually our second restock of the new year. And I'm going to melt this over here with the lye solution that I just put in here. The temperature was about 180. And it's going to melt the oils because the coconut oil is 76 degrees. So the melting point, so it's going to be melting really fast. And also the palm oil actually solidifies because it's pretty cold over here. It's not that hot, so it's already, see, I don't know if you guys can see, it's already melted, but the coconut oil is the one that's still melting. So I'll be back in a few seconds and show you the rest of it. Alright guys, so now I have my liquid oils, my solid oils are melted with the lye solution already. But what I want to do first, I like to put the milk, the coconut milk in here first with my liquid oils. That's just the way I like to do it. Some people put it in a trace when it's a trace, but I like to put it in first. It's just the way I like it. There's nothing wrong with the way you want to do it. It's just like personal preference. Alright, so we're going to do that first. I'm going to try to mix it up first with my little spatula here, and then I'm going to try to blend it with my stick blender. A little bit, so we kind of mix them up a little. And see, the milk, the coconut milk and the oils are emulsified. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put beautiful coconut, not coconut, what am I saying? This is oatmeal, ground up oatmeal, very fine. It is a difference. Colored oatmeal is very super fine. This is not. This is bean ground up. Alright, it looks like it's mixed in really nicely. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this mixture with my other oils. Move this over here in my little bucket here. Okay, so let's pour this in there. Slowly. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. First with my spatula. And then I'm gonna mix it up with the blender. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up until it gets two trays, light trays, and then I'm gonna split it in two different, my two different containers, and color the batter. Okay, so before I split this, I'm gonna put my essential oil in here, the lavender essential oil, and we're gonna mix it up. And then we'll split it. I'm going to blend it a little bit. And then I'm going to split it in a couple of containers. But this main container here is going to be white. It's going to be the base. Very simple soap. Actually, the plum one, I don't want to do it so much. I want to do a little bit. I used to make it with only the purple, the lavender one, but then I decided I wanted to use the other purple too, because I really like it. Okay, so I'm going to put the titanium dioxide in here. In the main. I'm gonna leave a, whoa, wow, I flinked everywhere. That was weird. Wow. Okay. Alright, did not go on the floor, but on the table. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix this up a little. With my spatula first, and then I'll blend it in. Alright, so this one is done. The white is done. And then we're gonna do the purples. Move this over here. Okay, I'm gonna move these over here. Because we don't have a big table where we do our stuff here. We don't have a studio. We do everything in our little living room here. Okay. Alright, so these are the ones that are going to be colored with the two purples. Okay, the first one is the lavender purple from Berry. I love this one, it's so pretty. It's such a beautiful purple. It's a good name, it is lavender. It looks like lavender. I'm scraping the all, trying to scrape the all stuff, I mean all the mica out of there. And I like to put, I like to prep my micas because I don't like putting in there powdery, you know, with the batter. It's just like I said, it's my preference. I mean, a lot of people do that, and it's fine. Nothing wrong with that. I just like it that way. Alright. I'm going to do this. And then we're going to do the other one. I'm going to do the other one, and then we'll blend it a little bit with the stick blender. Hi guys, we're back, and it's about a couple days, 48 hours that we waited for this soap to be ready to be cut, and it's still a little bit kind of soft on the corners here, but it's ready to be cut. I don't think we need to wait any longer. So like, this is our lavender soap. We sell a lot of this. People love this soap. We love it too. So this is a restock, but we never made a video about it, so here you go. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Let me go and I'm going to just cut a little slice at the beginning here. Okay. Just a little tiny slice here. Oopsie. Alright. Okay, so that's the first slice. Let's see what's inside, because then I can't really tell. I did a little bit of different swirl in here, but it smells really nice. It smells so nice. It smells really lavendery, if there is a word. I don't think it exists. But yeah, the swirl, it's really wispy over here. Not a lot of swirl. I'm kind of disappointed over there.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens when we go inside. Because usually it has a lot of swirly stuff going on. But I decided to do a little bit different. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. But let's see. Oh, that's kind of interesting. It's like a little wispy kind of. What do you think, Elsie?
That looks cool.
Yeah, that's kind of nice. It's not like the other ones that we did before that we usually do. It's more defined. There's more swirly stuff in there. I think next time I'm going to put a little bit more color in there. I don't think it was enough. So in the next batch, that's what we're going to do. And here we go. Well, I guess this is better, this one. Don't you think, Elsie?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's what usually we have a lot of stuff going on. And I guess at the end I didn't put enough of the colored batter, but that's fine. It's good. Alright, so we're going to cut this and see what's going on. What kind of designs we got in. Ooh, I like this one too. This is kind of cute, right? Alright, so let me just cut this all the way to the end, and we'll come back in a sec. Okay guys, here they are. The bars have been cut and ready to go to the rack to cure for about, I think these are gonna be 6 weeks probably to being cured, and they're gonna be in the shop. Let's see, the end of February probably, and we'll post it on our Facebook page when they're gonna be ready. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody is doing all right. Please take care of yourself, be safe, wash your hands, wear your mask, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.